All right, let's start it. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. It's another cash and coffee session today. I actually have to send this Zoom meeting to Alvin as well. Just give me a second. All right, we're ready. So the first thing we are going to talk about is the news event that is actually going on right now and how it can basically affect today's trading. I had a kind of sell bias on gold, but as of right now and how news event played out, it looks like that gold is about to be bullish and come to this area. This is what I think it's gonna happen for today's session, and you can have this as a take profit up there. Also, looking at the US30, we do have a bullish engulfing. Now, what I expect in this one is a little bit of stop hunt before pushing it to the upside. And I think this one also at least going to come around this zone to respect it as a resistance and trap. Or maybe it would be, the DMAs in higher time frames to be retested. Looking at it in 1 hour, we do have a cross. So this little stop hunt that I'm looking for, it's going to be more of a retest after the cross. Okay. Now let's move it on to Gbp Jpy. A nasty range, to be honest, is on the Gbp Jpy. I am not really seeing anything on it, although it looks bullish and bearish at the same time. When you go to higher time frame, you're seeing more of a bearish, and going to lower time frame, you start seeing more of a bullish. And just it takes a little bit of zoom out to see the type of or the area that they're creating the range. I usually change the color for the range and trap zones. I'm going to borrow this from up here because I don't really need that. Can still put it there. But anyway, that is actually a better placement for it. So this price kind of trapped sellers, in my opinion. So I give more of a chance to coming back to this low. They this week, if it's about to be in consolidation, you can expect that they stay between the high and low that they created during the week, and that would be the case in my opinion. So we can wait and see. Nothing really on this one. And looking at US$ Canadian, start of the week in Tuesday, we had yesterday, basically, we had our session on New York session where I told you guys that this is going to be selling from the Tuesday reversal of this high. It is kind of happening. The only thing is I actually got stopped out myself. The only thing is that price made another high and then after trap people up there and stopping people who were right like me, then it started to dropping down. And I think it is going to continue down to 1.26500. So why this happened? First of all, the breakout that happened in London session is for the basically they trapped buyers, and then before they start trapping sellers, first they trap buyers like me who got into the first they trap buyers in here. My bad, I said it wrong. Let's reset it. The first one here, buyers who were early and thought this is gonna be actually the real move, got into the market, and then they got a stop hunted. Once this stop hunt happened, now it's basically also induction for sellers. This is where I got trapped. I thought they already trap people enough and they're going to continue going down, but I was wrong. They came back for it, and you can see how this trend line was broken, which brings lots of more liquidity, and then they kind of start dropping it. All right, so that is about our pair. I see James asking for checking NAS 100. Sure. Let me actually send this real quick to the chat here. All right, my bad. Let's continue. So for NAS 100, let me go to 4-hour real quick. Pretty much just like US30, I should say. I do see the potential for it to come at this high, but also doesn't have enough confirmation at the same time. I would basically leave it alone because it's not really clear to me, to be honest. But overall, the momentum and everything and how DMA is crossed right now, it can possibly be bullish for New York session. I definitely want to see stop hunt before any kind of buy. I don't even trade this pair, but that's it. So let me actually, I have Elvin here. And I'm asking to unmute. All right. That's about our pairs. Let's take a look at Forex Factory real quick. How you doing, Ella?
What's up, bro?
Not much, bro. How's everything with you?
Good. How about you?
Good, good. Pretty boring week actually. Didn't have much things to do, not much of a trading too. So hopefully by the end of the week there would be some better opportunities we can get in. All right, so let's take a look at Forex Factory real quick. Currently it's 9:15. So we actually just passed the GBP news, looks like. Yeah. And there's gonna be another news in 15 minutes. In about 45 minutes, they're gonna be Fed Chair Powell testifies. Pretty crazy day for it. Someone in the chat is asking for GBP USD. Sure, I can check it for you. GU and EU, both of them, we had a bullish kind of bias on it today. Well, from last week. I was really close to entering on one of these retest, but I didn't get in. I think it's gonna be bullish at least to the zone here. I can make it a bit more actually accurate by putting it up here a little extent. I really like it to be inside of these wicks. I want to choose 1 or 2 wick to put, inside of my range. I avoid having more of a candle when I draw it. Usually it turns to be more of a wick to this zone than candles unless it's break. You see it's broken and then wicks. And then again, this is in 15 minutes. So in 30 minutes, it definitely would be another wick, you know. I definitely think they're going to be above here and then also trap them. So we have two options basically. One is to see price failing to break this zone. And if that be the case and they stay here, we are expecting it to break it and go up. But if they break this zone and stay a little bit above this, you can expect them to continue going back down. They keep trapping, you know, buyers and selling it off. Man. But this sell yesterday, in my opinion, it was that final induction for sellers, and they're now trying to grab even more sellers before they push it up. All right.
Yeah, it looks clear on a daily to me. It looks so noisy on a lower time frame, but just go to the daily real quick.
Yeah, I see the
video. Yeah, it's just clear. I felt the same for other euro pairs too.
Interesting.
If you look at EuroCAD.
Euro USD is bullish engulfing. So EuroCAD.
But look at the Look at the 15-minute or something. It just looks so noisy. Like I couldn't make it out, couldn't make the structure out.
Yeah,
if I went to the higher time frame.
That's very true. Interesting. I'm not actually taking any trade down for the, well, didn't take any, but down for the day for me. So many news and stuff is going on. I don't want to get in there. Someone asked for Ethereum BTC. Is that like a pair you wanna look, or like Ethereum and BTC? I assume Ethereum BTC for now until you answer. Well, Ethereum low key going up while Bitcoin failing to go. That's interesting. Right here, what I do like about it is the bearish engulfing and the fact that this bearish engulfing broke through the resistance that they created for like 1, 2 couple hours here in a breakthrough, bearish engulfing, drop below DMA, and now it's just turning down. I think you can at least expect these area or these area to be met. Looks bearish, and the structure is kind of very visible here. You see obvious trend line and everything. High broken. Like every trader in the world, you know, retail trader in the world will see this as a structure that price is going to continue going up. Either buying it up here or buying it here once these retests are happening, because you can definitely drop another one, especially if we go to lower time frame. So this would be a great buy. But price says bye-bye after you got it. Let me keep that up one. That's what I think about it. Please flip the monthly on XXX USD. And we have AUD USD request too. Yeah, exactly what the money do. For AUD USD, I'm actually bullish on it. I believe the sell that we called for our members from here, I'm not sure I think from here, let me get the, no. Yeah, actually right here. So from this area for about 220 pips drop very nicely, and now spending time inside of this range. This was take profit zones and liquidity zone that is turning to trap zone as we talk about mini trap course. Let me put it up there. So if you go there and study the course, you realize that we are getting inside of a range, and they are all actually trapping sellers too. You can see how momentum actually changing and trying to shift from here. Also, yearly moving average. Not this one. Yeah, yearly moving average up here can be a potential target for the move that happening up. But we definitely going to have different targets around here. As of right now, soon it's going to be changing. But as of right now, it's not my plan to get trades like this.
Right. Don't you have to wait for your setup?
Yes, I have to wait for my setup, but I'm actually going to make some changes on my trading plan due to so many misses that I had in November. So I'm going to allow myself a little bit more to take it. And I think due to my experience now, before we used to stick to one setup to avoid kind of getting into the different setups all over the place. But I think now I'm good enough to go for two setup and see it's either this continuation or this reversal, and have specific rule for each scenario for my entry. So if I'm going to take the reversal, these things has to happen first, or if I'm going to take a continuation, these other things has to happen,
But you'll basically always wait on the engulfing on the 4 hour regardless.
Yeah, that is true. But like in the example like this, well, this is AUD USD, but if we go, for example, on Euro USD is a trade that I called. So right here, you do see a bullish engulfing. And this is actually the area, the day before is the day I called the buy from this for this pair. Actually took a trade and got it stopped out. Very small position just to see if I can catch the reversal, but I was a bit early. But you can see why I was early, because there wasn't any bullish engulfing yet. Next day, bullish engulfing happens here. So although it is against all the DMAs, I am trying to find set of rules for myself that allows me to find higher probability setup that allows me to take the inductions. Yeah, that is the plan for now. So this also Euro USD, you can see bullish engulfing here in 4 hour, and in 1 hour you also see another bullish engulfing in 30 minutes with a cross to the upside. So this is actually a pretty nice setup. Gbp USD and Euro USD, both of them are bullish. So that could be a call for you guys too in the cash and coffee. I think we can have a target of 1.16 met pretty soon, maybe by the end of the week. Reason for the trade, seeing sellers being trapped at the last week, a W formation with the bullish engulfing, shift out of the trap, getting confirmation by breaking DMAs, a nice rejection yesterday, and a nice consolidation above averages as well. So we got, let me add EU here too. Euro USD is the one of the things that I think is going to happen. US30 also, we set a little stop onto the downside and bullish for gold. We are also I was bearish a bit, but now it's turning to be bullish. And Gbp Jpy, we're gonna leave it alone. UCAD also, we think it's gonna keep selling.
Yeah, I think it's going to keep selling, but I would like to see it break this support and then pull back, and I could look for an entry.
Right.
For me.
Yeah, I actually tried an entry here and I got it stopped out. Then it just started dropping.
Yeah.
But it's all good. Really didn't like my November.
I like how this structure is setting up though for a setup, but
yes,
yeah, I just gotta.
exactly.
I needed to shift out of here, and then I need for sure.
Yep. So let's go over quickly Yahoo Finance. I don't like this Mr. Fauci here on my computer.
He looks pretty trustworthy though. Like I trust him with my life.
Really?
No.
So looks like everything is a bit in a happy side today for stock traders. You can see markets are a little bit getting stronger. Don't really care about these news, guys. Honestly, I'm rather just leave alone something that I have no idea about rather than just talk nonsense. And I think it's more professional that I say I'm not really good at fundamentals. So I'm just gonna close actually. And let's jump into the stock heat map. And let me refresh it real quick. All right, looks like
I was just gonna
still
add,
red.
like when we do look at the news, we don't gotta be fundamental experts, bro, but we can kind of just put our commentary because people still want to hear what we got to say about stuff. But of course, we need to know what we're talking about. But when we do look at news, we're just we want to know what's going on in the world. We want to know what people are talking about. We're not saying, oh, Pfizer did new research, let's buy Pfizer. It's not that, guys.
Yeah, true. So I actually have to say that it's not really a great day for market. For stock. Everything is down, which actually sounds like an opportunity. I talked about Netflix yesterday. I still haven't got it. Let me see if it's a better opportunity today. For stock, I'm gonna use daily time frame. It actually did broke 650 and broke the DMA here too, but opened above it. I assume that's a good thing. And also let's take a look at, there was another one I wanted to look. Yeah, that's better. Let's take a look at Facebook, Meta, as they say. I'm not sure if I did the right one. It's FB. Okay, that should be the right one. It is down a bit. Let's take a look at Haikinashi. Yeah, it does have a bearish momentum too. Looks like it's better to wait a little bit. Tesla, on the other hand, is going nicely to the upside. I actually did got Tesla once it dropped below $1,000, but by the time my order get filled, right here, but by the time it did drop here, 980. This was the time that I placed my order, but by the time it got filled, it was about $1,030-$1,040. Currently, it is up about a little, but that's not that bad. Yeah, I think we have no other choice just to buying Tesla, not really shorting it. Yeah, nothing really interests me right now other than Netflix that I'm actually gonna hold on It's a good thing I forgot yesterday to go buy it. Yeah, that's it for stock. But I do have some goodies on the cryptocurrency. Yesterday, we told you about GRT. This was the coin that I told you guys I'm thinking to buy. By the time we had this session, let's go there. By the time we had this session, which was here, we got in, it was about 93 cents, less than $1. Okay. And hope you guys got in. I know some people send me messages on Telegram that they also got GRT. Let me know in the chat if you also bought some. If not, it's not that late, but anyway, let me know. One thing about these, calls that we're gonna have in Cash and Coffee, I really want you guys to try learning from the forex ones and not really follow it as a signal, but try to see if you can actually understand why I'm trying to buy or sell a specific thing, whatever that is. It's a gold, US30, a currency. Try to understand my reasons and then try to duplicate it yourself. On the other hand, when it comes to cryptocurrency, I would say manage your risk, but do invest into these coins. I'm not sure which one of these coins that I'm gonna call in these days going to be the good ones, but at least these are opportunities that we can get it. You're not gonna have any problem failing to find good coins. You're just not gonna find and not gonna invest. But if it comes to forex, I really want everyone to understand, so they do their own things, then they don't need me for it. Hope that makes sense.
Yeah, do your research.
Yep. So the coins that I have for you, let's quickly go here. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is pretty green. We got some losing ones, but they are more of a pullback. One of the things that is down today, Doji, about 5% down. We also have Mana for the Metaverse. That's also down 5 pips. Sorry, 5%. CR. Oh, I think, if I'm not mistaken, let me find it.
I think it's pumping again.
Yeah, right here. CRO is pumping for about 7%. Sheep is down 11%. One thing that you should pay attention, and it's actually one of the giveaways on this coin 360, is that the block size is based on market cap. All right, and you can literally see a coin moving from these downs, making its way to the upside. And the moment you realize they are actually the more greener and they're starting to get bigger, it's time to look at them. And CRO compared to yesterday is actually bigger in my opinion. I remember we found it down here. So let's find something like that. Actually, not here because I already have the coins ready. Did my research a bit. Using beta screener and also coin market cap, I found 3 different coins that we're gonna go over it today. And I hope you guys have a chance to get in. I got into all 3 already, and we'll see how it's gonna play out. The first one is Gala. Gala is a Ethereum based coin, which is actually a gaming coin. We're gonna go to the website. You can see it's a number 44 rank on the coin market cap, and on the beta screener it's gonna be 43 here. So pretty nice. 43 and 44. You can definitely get it using Uniswap, but It is on the Binance too. You can get it. Currently is 62 cents. Looking at the charts, I do see possibility for it to go to a little lower to about 55 cents. I do have a bearish engulfing in daily and area that is left to the DMA. This calls for price going down there. It can definitely drop down to 30 cents too, which is gonna, cut your money in half if you invest right here. But I decided to get in, and I will wait for more entry a little bit down here. This is about Gala. That's the charts. Let's take a look at the exchanges. Actually, if you want to see Binance, Coinbase Pro, yeah, these are the BitSmart, CoinX, Hotbit, BitTrue. You can get it. This BitTrue is actually not that bad. Have you heard about it, bro?
I think so.
Yeah, this one is a pretty cool one because some of the Kishu and stuff, I have it someone here as well that you can literally exchange it like the way you do in Binance and like buy Kishu and stuff. Some coins, some coins that it is on Binance and everything might not be in there, but there would be some coins that you can't find it in other platforms. So I like it. So you can get it in these exchanges. And let's take a look at their website too. I already watched it and see it. It's opening for you guys to see as well. All right, so basically this is they got NFTs, and they have all these different games. So you can buy, sell your things that you're gonna buy, kind of add-ons using their coins. You can see here with their Gala. I'm quite impressed actually by their work. It's not like some of these projects that is pretty much a copy paste of other coins, but this one actually have they get so many things done. They did so many things already that makes this coin stand out. And the price is pretty high too compared to, you can't really call it a shit coin. So this is Gala.
But it's still low compared to other gaming coins right now.
Definitely very low. The market cap is 4 billion, I think. Let me check it here. This one, draw it better. Yeah, 4.38 billion, which is quite a lot. Make sure to get into this one. All right. Let's move. That's the first coin I have for you. The second one is Theta. This one is also number 33 on the coin market cap, and Theta, THT, sorry. Right here. And on the beta screen is also 33. The market cap is 6.8 billion, more than that one. And the price is also big. It's $6.82 for this looks like for the last year. Yeah, 1000%. Damn. So this one also, I did like basically everything about it was good. Also, the coins similar to it was some of the coins. I can find it now. Oh, it's here. All right, this one also is let me find it here. You can see. So this one is like a YouTube but on the blockchain, if that makes sense. So it's a video streaming platform. So a bit different as far as I understand is that, well, if you're a content creator, you're going to open an account, channel with them basically. Let's go to their page. You're gonna open a channel with them, and once you open that channel and people start watching, say next generation video and entertainment blockchain powered by you. So it's basically, if people are going to watch your content, you're going to get this Theta coin instead of, like dollars and everything. Also, there is some cool features that it is actually already in a YouTube, like, the super chat and everything, that you can kind of help the channel or content creator. In this one, you also be able to do that. So I did like the idea. I don't know if it's gonna be able to fight with Google, but it's new. I'm willing to invest on it.
Yeah, Google probably buy them and have it like have your data account on your YouTube or something.
Yeah, that's pretty accurate actually. So the next one that we have is Polygon. This one is also $2, and in the ranking, it's number 17 in coin market cap. Let me check here too. It's 17 here as well. 14.5 billion market cap on this one. Quite heavy. And it did have close to 2000% increase return on the past year. Okay. Let's see if we can pop up a chart here. Yeah. Oh wow, look at it. It's already pushing up. I wish I could see this yesterday because it is absolutely perfection to my setup in daily bullish engulfing above DMA shift retest. So we could have bought it at 180, be up already. Still looks like a long way to go. Let me go to monthly. Yeah, about 80 cents more just to fill the wick, and this is not gonna just fill the wick, and it's about to break some highs and create new ones. All right, so this one I actually didn't have time still to finish it in terms of the website and everything. But all right, so let's go through it together. Looks like they have a blockchain development platform of choice. It has limitation. Okay. All right, I hope it's about to make the gas fees and stuff cheaper here. In connection, compatible. Right. I'm not really understanding what they are planning to do.
I think you can be able to like exchange between stuff, like between platforms,
Oh,
like a cross chain.
POS
So,
chains.
so I don't know, maybe you can go Ethereum to Binance, stuff like that. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm not really sure about that either. It's not really giving us the exact project here. So we have to go over this and actually understand it. All right, so let's not get into this one, and I have to study a little bit more about it. But it came to my attention for a couple of reasons. One being having a good ranking. Where is it? I think I missed it. No, it's right here. Okay, so the price was good. Market cap was too high. Ranking was good too. So I decided to check it out, but I haven't finished checking it out. And I can't really understand it now. I have to go study it a bit. Yeah. So that's it about the coins that I'm planning to get. We talked
Let me
about.
share my screen real quick. I wanted to read a article, kind of look over one with y'all. Okay. I was trying to find something about Polygon. All right. All right. So this is an article I just found from yesterday about Ethereum and what is money in the metaverse. So let's just kind of go over this article and put things in perspective, and then start to think like, where do I want to invest? Like Human gave me some coins to look at, but maybe this can kind of spark you on your own journey to start thinking what you want to invest in and just where the future of the market is headed. So the article is called Ethereum in 2022, What is Money in the Metaverse? And okay, so let's jump in. Says Ethereum is a smart contract blockchain focused on a building of secure decentralized environment to host applications of all types, right? The past year, decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have taken the stage to show the world the possibilities that can arise from blockchain technology. However, scalability, products that can increase performance in response to changes in processes demanding are still starting to unlock the vast potential Ethereum holds. So what that's saying is there's still a lot of room for growth, right? We're talking about DeFi, we're talking about NFTs. So you hear these terms, these hot button terms thrown around, but what does it mean? We know there's a lot of room for growth, but how are we gonna pick our bets? How are we gonna pick what we invest in? So we know Ethereum's been at the head, and we see Ethereum's headed for 5K. So that, that's big. We see the market cap is second only to Bitcoin. But let's go on. Ethereum has largely become a host of marketplaces for trading, lending crypto assets like Uniswap, or buying NFTs like OpenSea. So you should be familiar with both Uniswap and OpenSea. Start to know these platforms, these tools, dive in, learn what the gas fees are, learn what they offer, and just get in tune with these spaces, even if you're not actively participating yet. Okay, so let's kind of just scroll down, see what they say about other coins. Okay, so what is money in the metaverse? If Ethereum alternate base layer protocols such as Solana and Avalanche and the metaverse are ultimately successful, the definition of money will become much more broader than its fiat limitations today. We're already seeing protocols raising capital and investors measuring their portfolios either instead of dollars or even stable coins. So basically, guys, Ethereum is just a start. We have other protocols, right? Solana has an art chain. Solana has NFTs. Avalanche, I think Human said he got in on that one 10x ago. So start to pay attention to these platforms. Human gave us a few more today that he mentioned Theta, he mentioned Gala, which is a gaming platform. So we're talking about metaverse gaming, and there are a bunch of them. There are about like 30 different metaverse gaming tokens that are popping up now. So yeah, you got to do your due diligence.
And the YouTube media service as well.
Sir. So yeah, that was all I wanted to and we'll look at more articles and put stuff in perspective, right?
Yeah.
So
bro,
yeah,
that's on you, bro. I'm not doing
okay. Yeah, play to game, play to earn gaming has likely just started, and Ronin based NFT game Axie Infinite is already generating billions of dollars in annualized revenue. Users throughout the world are living off income from the game. with revenue making up a notable piece of the Philippines' gross domestic product. So countries are living off of money earned in these metaverse games already. People are already making livings off of them. So remember when we were a kid and we said, what you want to do for a living? I want to play video games. And your mama said, boy, that's not a real job. Get a job.
Gotta be a doctor, son.
Now it is. So yeah.
All right.
All right.
So that is a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed this session, and it was pretty cool. Thanks, Alan, for popping up, and I hope to see you guys
Thanks, bro.
tomorrow. Peace out.
Later.